Hi everyone, my name is Samuel. I am studying 10th A ZPHS PALAKURTHY, Jangam district. This project name is hydraulic lift, and this is materials is one cardboard and four injections and one tube. This is work with high vehicle, balance is handle, and this is principle is Pascal principle. And this is how his work means. The water pressure is go upside, the lift is go up, and this any weight is also is lift, and this is go inside the injection, the lift is come down. Fluid is transmitted equally in all directions is called Pascal principle. This is used hydraulic lifts in any vehicles is lift and hydraulic brakes, and thank you.